So what do you see the future of rule-based order? Uh, is it all like in particularly in context of Pakistan or India and overall I'm talking about?
Overall, there are many, many durable treaties that nation states are complying with. A treaty does not become durable without a concession from a member signatory that it can put its interests aside. So that happens on both sides. You've got a durable treaty. And it's rare that these treaties are broken, but they certainly are. And in that context, for example, you've had the NATO as a treaty organization for 70 years. And so far, holding together. And that gives me hope that these sort of treaties, even if they are sometimes neglected or they're invisible, we don't even know about them, have a real place in humankind's interaction with its neighbors. I don't know if that answers your question, but I have faith in treaties. This country started out one of its first treaties with Tripoli in the 1700s when pirates were attacking American citizens off the Barbary coast and managed to get a treaty to stop that 300 some years ago. Treaties are, sometimes very minor, but then there are ones that are major, chemical weapons treaty, environmental treaties. And I think I say smart people figure out that the world needs them. Maybe those people don't stay smart forever, but that's how it is. Exigencies and political developments make people want to say, get on board and break the treaty. I don't know how long that will continue.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।